Roasting some nice chicken today. Our homemade barbecue sauce. This is just tomato paste, tomato sauce, some sugar, some vinegar, some soy sauce, and a mix of spices. Sema soy sauce, Mama. Soy sauce. Just going to boil it and reduce it down until it thickens. Then we're going to apply it to our chicken that's roasting on the grill. Look at chicken. Nice rub.
It's done.
Chicken. Bado. Endelea tu. Naendelea. Move the coal around a bit. Make sure there's a even distribution of heat. You can see in there. Make sure the heat is well distributed. There we are. Some nice roasted chicken with some sweet and sticky barbecue sauce, homemade. Yes, sir. Look at that bubbling. We are ready to serve now. Yes, sir. See, when this starts to happen, that means the meat is ready. See? It's already splitting now. Our meat is ready. Yes, sir. See that? Ooh. Nice and juicy.
Record you. Let me record. Can I record this kwa nama?
Endelea tu.
Oi, yangu
Hapa. Play nini? Mamzi. Utakula nyama? Chicken. Itakuwa tamu. Na wewe Titan?
Mimi nitakula itakuwa tamu.
Good. I love you.
I love you too.
Good boy. Mama, I love you. Good girl.